Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and safe. So in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is commands in Logo, chapter number 8. Okay, and in the previous video we had discussed about the parts of MSW logo. You know that logo has divided into two main parts. The first part is a main screen and second part is a commander window. Okay, so today we are going to learn more about logo commands. So let's start with the logo commands. So commands are the instruction that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. All the commands logo are written in commander window. So the instruction that are given to logo are called commands. Basically, commands are used to move the turtle on the screen, as you can see in the pictures. Okay, the first command which usually every child's learn is a forward command. So this is the command line. Now you can see in the pictures, this is the command line, and cursor will blinking over there and you will type your command here. Okay, so first command that we are going to learn is forward command. In short, you can say FD. And backward command, in short, you can say BK. So I am talking about FD command. Yes, this command asks a turtle to go forward, and by how much step, that also we have to write. Okay, yes. So we have written forward and then I am going to write 50 here, means FD 50. This is the command forward 50. And if I execute this command, now you can see in the pictures, yes, if I execute this command, or you can also press enter key to execute your command, so my turtle will goes forward by 50. Yes, like this. Okay, so now moving commands. So the commands that move the turtle are called moving command. You can use forward and backward command to move the turtle. In the first, you can say forward command. In short, you can write FD. So this command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle forward. So when you write FD 20, so it means turtle will move 20 step. Okay. Next is a backward or BK. In short, you can write BK. This command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle backward by a given number of steps. So you can write your command in a small letter or capital letter. Okay, so when I write BK40 in this picture, you can see, so it will come back 40 step. Yes. Now let's move to the next point, that is turning commands. What is turning commands? If this turtle goes only in a one direction, it's up no, we are going to draw only straight line that is only in a one direction, right? So yes, turtle can turn also, and to make him turn we have to tell him how much to turn towards left or how much to turn toward right. Now you can see in the pictures. Yes, the first turning command is right. In short, you can write RT. Okay, this command is used to rotate the head of the turtle toward right. So you can rotate the turtle from 0 to 360 degree. So when I write RT90, so it will turn 90 degree. Next one is a left or LT. In short, you can write LT. This command is used to rotate the head of the turtle toward left. So you can rotate the turtle from 0 to 360 degree. Yes. Next command is a hiding and showing turtle. You can also hide your turtle. And what are the command to hide your turtle? That is hide turtle. Okay. In short, you can write HT and then enter. And if you want to show your turtle, then you have to write show turtle, or in short you can write ST and then press enter. Now let's move to the next point. Okay, now let us take an example to understand how to draw a square through a logo commands. Okay, so now you can see in the pictures it is a logo screen, and my first command is FD100. So when I write FD100, it will move forward 100 step. Okay, it will move forward to 100 step. Now second command is RT90, and you know that RT is a turning command, and RT means right, and this time our turtle will turn only in 90 degree angles. It means it will only turn. Okay, and again I can ask him to go forward by 100 step. Now you can see FD100, so it will go forward by 100 step like this. Yes, my next command is a RT90. This means my turtle will turn right. I can ask him to go forward by 100 step, so it will forward by 100 step. Again it will turn to the 90 degree. Yes, and in the last the turtle will again, I ask him to go forward by 100 step, so it will go forward by 100 step. Okay, and in the last you can write HT, means hide turtle. So now you can see in the pictures it will become a square. Okay, yes, so this was all about the turtle command. In the next video we will learn some more commands, like what is ST command, what is PU command, what is PT command, what is CS command, and yes, one important command is, that is buy command. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye.